our view every morning. How gorgeous. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for the love. We are in Santorini, Greece today. We flew in from Paris last night. I was so over the moon in Paris, but landing back in Santorini brings up all these amazing nostalgic feelings of when Natasha and I were here last year. If you guys saw that vlog, you should, because it's hysterical, and I had an amazing time. We woke up really early. We're about to go grab a little bit of breakfast before we explore and head to the beach. We're only here for a few days. I want to visit the really nice spots on the island so my mom, dad, and Junior's mom can get to know Santorini a little bit. I've been out here taking a few photos this morning of the water. There's this really incredible, like, doughy bread smell coming down from up there. And I think that there's a little cafe up there, so we're gonna go check that out. We're gonna chase the smell. Where do you sell the bread? Up there? You sell here? We found the bread. Oh my gosh, this is the incredible smell we've been smelling. It smells amazing. These are fresh baked. The funny thing is that I never even eat bread when I'm home. Like, I'm just not a big bread person, but Paris completely changed that. I think I had like a different type of bread every single day, and it's because in the US the bread is completely different, and I think it's just made to mass produce, but not intricately and deliciously made like it is in Paris, and apparently I can smell it like it is here too. Also, I don't know if it's because we woke up really early, but there's no one here, and it's 10:47 a.m. That's not early, actually. I must have spent a little more time than I thought taking photos, but when we were in Paris, our taxi told us that after August 15th it slows down a lot, so maybe that's the midway point where tourism starts to kind of fall. If it is, that would be really awesome to know, because when it's really congested here, it's not all that fun, but like this is very peaceful. This little sign got me, so we wandered into this place right behind me, and so you guys can kind of catch the name and orient yourselves in case I forget to put it in the description. And they have fresh pressed juices, which is my weakness, and I probably just need something to hold me over until we find a really good place for lunch. I think we're a little bit farther away than we were from the center square here. Let me show you guys what I ordered, and check out this super authentic baklava first of all. Okay, I've got my orange juice. My dad got orange, grapefruit, beetroot, and what else?
Carrot.
Carrot. And my mom got orange pineapple. We're gonna take a walk. I just realized I forgot to get a coffee. And I can't survive without coffee, because I'm not the same person, so we're gonna have to stop for that too. Okay, so as we're walking around and asking these little restaurants what time they open after noon. So what's open right now are these little cafes and bakeries, which is great because I forgot to get coffee and I need something to hold me over because I know we're going to the beach in a little bit and I don't want to wait an hour because I want to go to Fira as well because they have really great shopping. Side note, Fira is where the best nightlife on the island is, so if you guys come to Santorini, you should stay in Fira for a few days because it's bomb. But yes, we're definitely going to eat in one of these picturesque places, hopefully this afternoon. But for now, I'm gonna go get a coffee and probably a pastry. Okay, the food looked absolutely incredible, but they didn't have anything vegan. I almost died. All right, let's keep looking. Okay, so we finally found a place to sit down, and they're also not serving lunch, they're only serving breakfast, so baguettes, coffees, juices, fresh pressed juices, all types of juices. I mean, you can get fresh pressed peach juice. So I got a coffee and some bread with sun-dried tomatoes and regular tomatoes. This coffee is incredible too, by the way.
Another more?
Every time I hold this camera around, because the mic is all fuzzy and it looks kind of strange, everybody always asks. So I think we're gonna head back home and we're going to change really quick so we can head to Fira, and then we're gonna head to the beach. We'll probably go to Perissa, but we're gonna try to do as many things as possible because we're not here for that many days. That is our room. This is our little bed to lay and grab some sun. I'm secretly documenting how to get back to the room with the camera in case we get lost later. It's really nice that I can see our Airbnb from here. Last time we used Airbnb too, and definitely does not ever disappoint. Look at this view. So I'm gonna walk you guys down to where our Airbnb is situated so you can kind of walk that way with me and get a feel, and if you like it, you could rent it yourself. That was quick, we're here. Got a dining area here. Lay out here and get some sun. Got this incredible view. Absolutely stunning. If we go inside, this is the bathroom. This is 2 beds in here. This is the kitchen. Got a little kitchen here. Look at how beautiful this plant is. Every single corner here is like a scenic, picturesque photo. Look at this. Boom. Instagram. Okay guys, we came back to the room and now we are going to head to the town square, try to take some cute photos, head to Fira, and then to the beach. And to think that there are $300 to $400 round trip tickets from Chicago. If you guys live in that area, use Google Flights and find yourself a trip and land somewhere here.